Learning English is easier when you learn real conversations. Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself, talk about your family, your home, and your likes and dislikes. Let's watch two students meeting for the first time at school. Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, nobody is sitting here. You can take it.
Thank you. My name is Lena.
Nice to meet you, Lena. My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. Are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day at the school.
Me too. I was a little nervous this morning.
I understand. I felt nervous too because I don't know anyone yet.
Where are you from?
I am from Malaysia, but we moved here last month.
That's interesting. I am from Thailand.
Do you like this school so far?
Yes, the teachers seem very kind, and the students look friendly.
I think so too. I hope we can make good friends here.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family, including me.
Who are they?
My parents, my older brother, my younger sister, and me.
What does your father do?
He is an engineer and he works for a construction company.
What about your mother?
She is a teacher at a primary school.
That's nice. My mother is also a teacher.
Really? What does your father do?
My father owns a small restaurant.
That sounds interesting. Do you help him sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I help during the weekends.
Where do you live now?
I live in a small house near the school with my family.
How many rooms does your house have?
It has 3 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and 2 bathrooms.
That sounds comfortable.
Yes, I like it because it is quiet.
I live in an apartment on the 5th floor.
Do you like living in an apartment?
Yes, because it has a nice city view.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing basketball and watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies because they are exciting.
I prefer romantic movies because they are relaxing.
What food do you like?
I like noodles and fried rice.
I love fried rice too.
What food do you dislike?
I don't like very spicy food because it is too hot for me.
I understand. I also cannot eat very spicy food.
Do you want to be friends?
Yes, I would like that.
Maybe we can study together after school.
That sounds like a good idea.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and Telegram.
Let's exchange contacts so we can talk later.
Sure, here is my account. Now try to introduce yourself like Lena and Tom. Practice speaking every day to become more confident in English. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and keep practicing.